Okay, part 2 of our post hole digging kit. What we have is a cement mixing bucket. This bucket is interesting because if you read the sides here, you put the amount of water in the top depending on the size of cement bag that you have. So you'd fill this up with water, pour the water inside, and you take this, roll it on the ground, and it'll mix the perfect bag of cement in 60 seconds, which is kind of cool. Let's see what else we have in here. A nice level. You want a level with a very, like, look how big that center. You want one that's very easy to see. You also need one of these guys. This wraps around a post and is held on the post, and then you can tell if it's square almost every way. Measuring tape and a couple of bungee cords. That with the post hole digger is the perfect post hole kit. Okay, this is a post hole digging tool. How this works is you stab this into the ground, push down, the nice option on this one is the depths. So when you get down deeper, you know how far you actually are. And that is how a good quality post hole digger works.